This is a multifunctional panel series, supports flexible combination with USB car charger, car socket, switch, ammeter and voltmeter, etc. The panel supports single to 3-hole specifications, and modules can be freely combined to meet diversified installation needs. It also including spring-loaded cover, holder for bus handrail, L-shaped car charger bracket structure options. Independent installation, maintenance is more convenient. Suitable for different installation needs. Widely used in vehicles, equipment, marine, household applications, and various other fields. DAMAVO provide power and lighting solutions.